Activities of the Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama, T. Nagar, Chennai 17. On 15th February 1897, when Swami Vivekananda was leaving for Kolkata from Madras after his triumphant visit to the West, the local citizens requested him to stay back and start a center. In reply, Swami Vivekananda said, "I shall send you one who is more orthodox than the most orthodox men of the South and who is at the same time unique and unsurpassed in knowledge and devotion." In March 1897, Swami Ramakrishnanandaji Maharaj, a Guru Bhai, brother disciple of Swami Vivekananda, arrived at Madras. As the message of Sri Ramakrishna and Swami Vivekananda spread, the activities started taking roots. On finding the need, a high school was started in T. Nagar on 13th June 1932. During the years, the institution grew in leaps and bounds. In 1976, for the administrative convenience, the authorities at Belur Mutt brought all the boys' schools and its hostel at T. Nagar as the units of Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama. The phenomenal growth of the institution to the present stage is due to the untiring and dedicated work of a number of lay devotees like Sriman Vasudevacharya and monastic persons with the grace of Bhagwan Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother Sri Sarada Devi and Swami Vivekananda. Schools. Ashrama conducts 2 higher secondary schools, a matriculation higher secondary school, a Tamil medium primary school, and a hostel. All the schools are located in different campuses within a radius of 1 kilometer from the ashrama. Ramakrishna Mission Higher Secondary School, Main. Started on 13th June 1932, the school has classes from 6th standard to 12th standard in Tamil and English mediums. In the higher secondary sections, it offers arts, science and occasional courses. Computer is also taught with the help of well-equipped computer lab. NSS and Scout troops are parts of extracurricular activities. Some of the Ramakrishna Mission Ashram alumni are Dr. S.S. Badrinath, Chairman Emeritus of Shankar Nethralaya, Sri Ramanathan Krishnan, the tennis legend, the former Chief of Indian Army, General Sundarji, Sri Y.V. Reddy, former Governor of RBI, Dr. Nalli Kuppuswamy Chettiar, Air Vice Marshal V. Krishnaswamy, and others. Ramakrishna Mission Higher Secondary School South. Started in 1936, the school has classes from 6th standard to 12th standard in Tamil and English mediums, having Tamil as the second language. In the higher secondary sections, it offers arts and science courses. A number of merit scholarships and prizes are given to the students. This school is run on the basis of self-finance. Ramakrishna Mission Matriculation Higher Secondary School started on 10th May 1977 as an English medium school with standards LKG to 5th standard at 14 Girifith Road. The school was upgraded into a matriculation school with standards up to 12th class and shifted to this present building at 71 Bazulla Road. The school is endeavoring to inculcate the man-making and character-building ideas of Swami Vivekananda. It has a blend of both ancient and modern education. The children are taught of our great heritage of the past as part of moral and spiritual education. A number of extracurricular activities are also conducted to stimulate the latent potentialities of the young minds through games, literary and other activities. The computer education is imparted besides it being used as an aid. The school has well-equipped band set which has got a good name within a short period. The school secured 100% in plus 2 and 10th standard in the public examinations. This school is run on the basis of self-finance. Ramakrishna Mission Tamil Medium Nursery and Primary School started on 14 June 1989. The school conducts classes from LKG to 5th standard. The medium of instruction is Tamil. No fees are charged to the students of this school. The school has been recognized by the government of Tamil Nadu. The primary school does not receive any aid from the government. This school caters to the underprivileged section of the society. All the students of the school are provided with free noon meal. On 23rd April 1939, His Holiness Srimad Swami Virajanandaji Maharaj, the 6th President of Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission, laid the foundation stone of the boys' hostel. In January 1942, the hostel entered into its new building at Duraiswamy Road, that is, to the present premises. Early morning, the boys of Ramakrishna Mission Hostel enter the shrine at prayer hall in a dignified manner and start chanting Suprabhatam of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsar. Thereafter, they visit dining room to have their hot drinks. One can view their happiness and enjoyment while sipping hot drinks. Ramakrishna Mission Science Center. In line with the directions given by Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama, T Nagar, set up a science center in November 2012 in knowledge partnership with Agastya International Foundation. The Ramakrishna Mission Science Center was formally inaugurated on 9th February 2013 by ISRO scientist Dr. Mailswamy Annadurai. The objective of Ramakrishna Mission Science Center is to kindle the scientific curiosity in children. Its mission is to reach all schools in and around the city of Chennai and facilitate students' visit to the center. Over 7,000 students from about 40 schools visited Ramakrishna Mission Science Center in its inaugural year. Ramakrishna Mission Science Center houses over 200 exhibits covering maths, chemistry, biology, and various topics in physics, mechanics, astronomy, optics, heat, sound, electricity, magnetism, etc., spread across in 4 spacious rooms. Spoken English courses are conducted here. The library attached to the ashrama is open for the use of the public on all the days of the week. The library has got about 16,000 books, 52 magazines and 5 newspapers. It has got 370 members. A showroom attached to the ashrama sells books of Ramakrishna, Vivekananda and Vedanta literature. The showroom is open from 8 a.m. to 12 noon and 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. in all the days. The showroom is kept closed on the morning session on all the Mondays. Spiritual and cultural. Shrine and prayer hall. It maintains a shrine where daily worship and Vespers services are performed. The spacious prayer hall provides serene and calm atmosphere for meditation and prayer. A number of devotees visit the shrine daily and take part in prayer, etc. Every Sunday evening, Bhagavad Gita classes are also conducted. Vidyarthi Homa is performed every year, welcoming the new boys. Birthdays of Bhagwan Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother Sri Sarada Devi and Swami Vivekananda are celebrated every year. Buttermilk distribution. During the month of May every year, buttermilk is distributed to the wayfarers. On an average, about 2,000 people are served every day to quench their thirst. Vidyadana. A number of educational scholarships are given to the poor and needy students of our schools. Uniform. Many students of Tamil medium school are given free uniforms. Please donate liberally for doing the above activities of the ashrama. You may send your contribution by a check, demand draft in favor of Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama, Chennai 17. It is needless to mention that the donations are exempt from income tax under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act. For further details, please contact the Secretary, Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama, number 3 Maharajapuram Santanam Sale, T Nagar, Chennai 17. Phone 044 2814 3896, 2814 3514, 2814 2014.
Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam.